Hi everyone, Rafa from Wall Printers here, and this is another episode of our FAQ series where we answer your questions about wall printing. Today's question is, can a wall printer stand on an uneven surface? And more importantly, how do you handle it in practice? Let's get started. A wall printer is a precise device that applies ink to a surface with an accuracy of tenths of a millimeter, which is why the stability and evenness of the surface it stands on are crucial for print quality. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you need a perfectly level floor to use it. Our equipment has been designed to handle various conditions. With our Wall Printer Pro, you get two solutions that allow you to work on different types of surfaces: the printer's wheels and additional rails. Let's start with the printer's wheels. They're a great solution when you're printing on a relatively small area. For printing, this means up to 2 to 3 meters wide, and the surface is even. In our office, the printer often operates on its wheels, especially for smaller projects. At the beginning of our wall printing journey, when we primarily did jobs in apartments, we also opted to work on wheels. For larger projects or when the surface is uneven, rails are always the better solution in wall printing. Why? Here are 3 main reasons. Firstly, rails provide a perfectly even track for the printer's movement, regardless of what's underneath them. You can print on carpet, ceramic tiles, or even surfaces with slight bumps. The rails will ensure stability. Secondly, rails can be leveled. Each rail has special adjustable feet that you can screw in or out to adjust the printing height on the wall. This means that even if the floor has irregularities, you can set up the rails to create a perfectly horizontal surface for the printer. Thirdly, the rails in our package have built-in wheels, giving you the freedom to maneuver the printer. You can move it in any direction. This is especially useful when you're doing several smaller prints in different locations during one project and the surface is challenging. During our early days of printing, we had a rather costly situation. We were printing on a ceramic tile floor. At first glance, the floor seemed even, so we decided to work without rails. It was only during the printing process that we noticed the tiles had a slight dip and then gently rose upwards. It wasn't visible to the naked eye, but it certainly was on the print. If we had used rails and checked the level, we would have noticed this problem earlier and could have prevented it. That's why I'm giving you this advice now. We lost almost €1,000 back then, so this is the perfect moment to subscribe to our channel and save yourself from making similar mistakes in the future. And by the way, if you're wondering what else you get in our offer besides a printer with 2 movement systems, we encourage you to fill out our contact form. You'll find the link in this video's description. We'll send you a detailed offer and show you how quickly you can start earning money with wall printing. Rails are also indispensable for large-scale projects. Imagine a project we did for a museum, a total of 70 meters of printing divided into 16 different graphics. We had to move the printer from wall to wall. With the printer on rails, we moved it like a shopping cart, with minimal effort. In the starter kit, you'll receive 5 rails from us, each 1 meter long. There's no need to buy more. These rails can simply be repositioned. Once you've printed 2 square meters, you can unclip the rails and reattach them on the other side. This is how we completed a 10-meter long graphic, and the print quality was perfect. And what if you're dealing with a really challenging surface? Sometimes we've had to build special scaffold on which we placed the printer. This was useful not only for uneven ground, but also when we needed to reach higher with our printer. And now for a quick summary. Choose the printer's wheels when you have a perfectly even surface, the print is no wider than 3 to 4 meters. Choose rails when the surface is uneven. You're doing a wide print. You want maximum stability and precision. You want to easily move the printer from wall to wall. Most of our current projects are printed using rails. They give us extra stability and confidence that the print will be perfect, regardless of the surface conditions. I hope that in this video I've cleared up your doubts about whether a wall printer can stand on an uneven surface. As you can see, thanks to the rail system and its leveling capabilities, any surface can be managed for the printer to work on. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and stay up to date with our upcoming videos. See ya!